Okay, now we shall start. Take out your classwork note. Sit up straight. See, listen to the instruction. Only the microphone, you must switch it off. Okay. Now, please write in the margin 27/8, today's date. When you come to school, we will check all the days and the dates. Write in the margin 27/8. And on the first line, add, ADD, add. And write CW, classwork. ADD, leave little space, C.W. That means classwork on the first line. Now don't copy anything, please. Don't copy anything. Let me see whether all have written. Listen, Cyrus, show me your classwork. Don't copy anything, children. I want to know whether you have written the date properly and the heading. Closer, closer. Add, right? Where is CW? CW after add. Leave space after add, Cyrus. Erase CW on top. Yes. Jeff, show me your book. Tridip, show your notebook. After add, put one hyphen, leave some space. CW. Yes, good, good. Akshara, it is right. I can't see Tridip. Yeah, correct, correct. Yes. Okay, now. Now we'll go back. Put A in the margin. Please don't be in a hurry. Please write A in the margin. I don't want anybody, Tridip. Don't write in advance anything. A in the margin. Now listen to me once, children. Leave. First you write number 5 in the first column. Don't copy it. Wait. Write number 5 in the first column. Plus in the next column, how it's written over here. Then 4. Next column plus, neatly in the middle. Plus 3 equals. Now don't write the answer. I want everybody to show me the notebook. Okay. Show me. Yes. Niral, show me your notebook. Don't copy anything. Show me, then only I will know. First line I can't see, Niral. First line. No, see that. First line, it's I can't see. Not Cyrus, where you be able to write on the first line all this? See now, I did not ask you to leave a line, Niral. Now, first column you must write. After add classwork, first column. Everybody left one column. Okay, leave it, Niral. Don't erase. Everyone left one column. Cyrus, Niral. John, show your book, show your notebook. Now, Shaina, show me your I didn't ask you to do any sum, Shaina. Please show me your notebook. Little down. Yes, who asked you to write the answer now? I'm going to minus mark for you all. Then you can sit and do by yourself. I'm going to minus mark. Now, you have to add 5 plus 4 first. Now, I want Samantha to help me. Samantha, tell me, what is 5 plus 4?
9.
Very good. 9 plus 3?
12.
Very good. Now I'm asking you, you all are doing it in advance. Then I can just give you the sums and I can get up and go. Listen, children. Now, leave one line down. Very good, Samantha. Very good. All this you are getting marks. Yes, Samantha, good. Now next, please leave one square down. Please leave one square down. Copy the next one. Copy fast. Yes. 7 plus 2 plus 3. I want Shashwata to tell me. First, you have to add 7 plus 2. Shashwata, 1 minute, Shashwata.
Ma'am,
7 plus 2. What? I don't want the full answer. What is 7 plus 2?
9.
Very good. Plus 3. Plus 3. Slowly. 7 plus 2 plus 3. 9 plus
12.
3. Very good. 9 plus 3, you are getting 12. Now, write the next question. C. Write the next letter C. 8 plus 1 plus 0. After Shashwata, Shamma, be ready. Shamma. Slowly, first you write. Okay, thank you, Shashwata. Now, Shamma, why? Where is Shamma? Let me go back and see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you there? Yes, I can see you. Shamma, step by step you must answer. Okay. What is 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1.
9.
9 plus 0.
9.
Very good. Copy neatly in your classwork note. Leaving one line. Now 1 minute. I want to check some notebooks. Wait. Stop it. Don't write. That's all. Wait. Afterwards. Now, Logesh, show me your notebook, Logesh. Don't copy everything, Logesh. Show me your notebook. Now, Kailina, if you copy more than 3 sums, I will just put 0 for you. Only 3 sums I told you and 3 answers. Lokesh, Tridip, show me your notebook. Show me your notebook. Where is it? 1, 2, 3. Yes. I'm just checking whether you all are listening to me. You don't. Cyrus, did you write more than 3?
No, ma'am.
Very good. You must keep in touch with me. You must not write beforehand. Okay. Now,
Okay.
where is Lokesh? I want to see his notebook, Lokesh. Where is Lokesh? 1 minute. That's Kailina. Kailina, keep the book down. Kailina, keep your book down. See now, Lokesh hasn't come. I'm just wasting my time. Okay, let us go back. No, sorry. Now, please copy D. 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7. Shaina. Shaina. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
I told everybody must be on the screen. Yes, Shaina. Did you copy 3 plus 5 plus 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is 3 plus 5, Shaina? Not Kailina, Shaina. 3 plus 5, Shaina. Please do it. What happened to Shaina?
Ma'am.
Please tell me what is 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. I want to see your face, China. Turn on your camera. Sometimes some problem. What happened? Yes. What is 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5? D. Question D. China, don't look here and there. Just tell what is 5 plus 3.
9, 10, 11, 13.
No, you're making mistake. I asked only 5 plus 3. Only two numbers. I never asked you 7.
8.
What is it?
8, ma'am.
8. When I ask you, you tell only that answer. Now, what is 8 plus 7? Others don't help her, let her learn. What is 8 plus 7? Come on, count in your mind, no problem.
15, ma'am.
What is it?
15.
Yes, that's all, Shaina. You must not do everything in advance. Listen to the question and do. Okay, copying is very easy, but you can do the sum fast, but listen to the question. Thank you. Good. Now, leave one line, everybody. Leave one line. Everyone. Copy E. After this, I'm going to check your book. Copy E. Copy E. Yes, this question goes to Tanvi. Tanvi, get ready to answer.
Ma'am.
Get ready to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, did you copy the question 13 plus 4 plus 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, can you tell me what is 13 plus 4? 13 plus
13
4.
4 is equal to 17, ma'am.
17 plus 0?
17, ma'am.
Very good. Now, let me check. Sachin, show me your notebook. Sachin is not there. Sanjay Krishna, show me your notebook. Closer, 1 minute.
Ma'am, Sachin, I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, Sachin, show me. 1 minute. Now leave it. When you show me, Sachin, just show closer. Yes, when you show the notebook, you must show closer to the camera. Yeah. Did you get all the answers? You're doing all the sums. Okay. Now, we'll go back to the class. Now, copy the next one. Copy the next one. 9 plus 1 plus 1 equals. Nine plus 1 plus 1. This question goes to Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you absent yesterday, Arush?
Ma'am, I was not well.
Okay. Just go back to the recording and do, okay? Okay, Arush, because I called you yesterday. Arush, can you read?
9
9
plus
1 plus 1. Don't tell the answer. Now, can you tell me what is 9 plus 1?
10.
10. 10 plus 1?
11.
Yes, now you all know to do the answer with 3. 3 steps, like 9 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, good, Arush. Now, copy the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Please copy the next one. Everybody. Question goes to Ahul. Ahil Visruth. Ahil.
Ma'am.
Ahil.
Ma'am.
Please copy this. 5 plus 0 plus 2. Did you copy, Ahil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, can you tell me what is 5 plus 0? 5 plus 0.
Z is 5, ma'am.
5. 5 plus 2?
Is 7, ma'am.
7. Now, all of you check this answer, children. Everyone check.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you orally some questions. Okay, let this be there. I will ask everybody, and because I have to give marks for you, oral questions, you can close your notebook and turn on your camera. I'm going to ask you some questions, everybody. Now, sorry, camera on. Camera, everybody's camera should be on. Now listen, anyone did not write this? Anyone? Those who came late to class? Okay, then you can go back to the recording if you haven't done. Now, I want you to close your notebook, and I'm going to ask you, sit up straight. I'm going to ask according to the number. Roll number. Question goes to Alan George. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You must tell fast. Okay, because I'm putting marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, must tell fast. This is addition, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
10 plus 5. Oh, please, one minute, Alan, 1 minute. No, Sachin, turn off your microphone. Sachin, turn off. Because I'm asking you question. Yeah. Alan, what is 10 plus 5? Fast.
16.
Very good. Now, after Alan, Akhilan, are you ready with the question, Akhilan? Akhilan, come on the screen, please. Akhilan. No, he was there. Akhilan. Yes, Akhilan, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Good morning, Akhilan. How are you? How are you, Akhilan? Keep your camera on. I want to see you. I'm just going to ask you one small question, Akhilan. Turn on your camera. What is 5 plus 3, Akhilan? 5 plus 3. 5 plus
8.
3. Very good, Akhilan. Very good. Why you didn't show your face? What happened to Akhilan? Where is he? I can't see him. Mother is there, but Akhilan, I cannot see Akhilan. I can
Just
see
a minute, ma'am.
Akhilan's mother. I can. Yeah. Good, Akhilan. Now listen to all the questions. Okay, you must keep the answer in your mind. Now, next question goes to Anandit. Anandit, are you ready? Anandit.
Yes, ma'am.
16, that is 1 6 plus 2. 16 plus 2.
8. 18, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Now, others also can count in your mind. Okay. Archan, are you ready?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fast, you must answer. Okay. 20 plus 0.
20.
Good. I have to ask everybody, so wait. Ashwant, this question is for you. Ashwant,
Ma'am.
10 plus 3. 10 plus 3.
13.
I want to see your face, Ashwant. Good, correct. Ashwant, yes. Arush, you can just take rest because you're sick. Okay, no problem. And ma'am asked only you answer. Cyrus.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
22 plus 3. 22 plus 3. Keep the big number in your mind. Very good. Listen.
Thank you,
Listen, children. Always keep the big number in your mind. Ritik.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritik. 10 plus 10.
0, ma'am.
My Ritik. 10 plus 10.
20, ma'am.
See, you must think and tell. Okay. Good. John.
Yes, ma'am.
18 plus 1. 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1.
19.
Good. Now nobody can copy, nobody can tell anybody, nobody can help also. Kevin.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you?
I'm
Yeah,
here.
Kevin. Sorry, I didn't see you. Yes, Kevin. 24 plus 0. 24 plus 0.
24, ma'am.
Good. See all that in your mind. You're keeping the question I'm telling. Thank you. Good, Kevin. Kushagra. Hurry up, Kushagra. Yes. Where's Kushagra? Kushagra, come on the screen. Turn on. Yes, good. Kushagra,
Yes, ma'am.
11 plus 4. 11 plus 4. Don't look here and there. Keep that 11 in your mind. Yes. Fast.
15.
Very good. Why did you look back? Mom is there to help you. Okay, good. Yes. Turn on your microphone. Lokesh. Kushagra, switch off your microphone. Lokesh, tell me 8 plus 1. Lokesh, 8 plus 1.
8.
Don't look in, please. Don't look anywhere. Don't ask help. Just look at the screen. Come on. 8 plus 1. Look up straight.
8, ma'am.
8 plus 1 is
1
8.
in 8, 9. Ma'am, 9, ma'am.
Who told you this answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, I am on 2.
See now, I don't want anybody to help you. Okay. Okay. Then only you will learn. Good. Mithilesh, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mithilesh. 10 plus 2. Mithilesh, 10 plus 2. 12. Very good. Mithilesh is dressed up so well. Is it your birthday today? No. You're going somewhere. Are you going somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good, Mithilesh. Naren, please come. Okay. Naren. Where is Naren? Yesterday, Naren was not there. Naren, are you there? No. Prajan, hurry up. Prajan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, Prajan, 9 plus 5. Fast. 9 plus 5. I got some more children.
14.
Very good. Sachin.
Ma'am.
Yes. Naren. Okay, Naren. Please come. Turn on your camera, Naren.
Yes, ma'am.
Not Sachin, ma. First, Naren. Naren.
Yes, ma'am.
No, the camera coming. Echo is coming because of that microphone. Okay, Naren, tell me. What is 9 plus 0? Naren. 9 plus 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
9, ma'am.
Very good. What happened? Are you sick? Okay, Naren. Now, Sachin. Naren, turn off your microphone. Sachin. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, when Naren's microphone was on, echo was coming. Okay. Be careful now. Sachin.
Yes, ma'am.
What is 12 plus 5? 12 plus 5.
17.
Very good. So fast your hand. Sanjay Krishna, hurry up. Sanjay Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjay Krishna. What is 10 plus 3? 10 plus 3. Sanjay Krishna. Very good. Sanjeevan. Sanjeevan. Okay. Sanjeevan.
Yes, ma'am.
19 plus 1. 19 plus 1.
10.
19 plus 1.
20, ma'am.
Very good. Think and tell. Okay. Sanjit. Sanjit. Now don't leave, children. I have to complete. Sanjit. Where are you, Sanjit? What happened? Sanjit is not there. Sri Mukilan. Sri Mukilan.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Sri Mukilan must answer and please do it fast. 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1.
100.
Very good, Sri Mukilan. Now, Tridip. Tridip.
Yes, ma'am.
38 plus 2.
Is equal to 40. 40.
Very good. Sai Vasavi. Sai Vasavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Sai Vasavi. 35 plus 5. 35 plus 5.
We are going to write, ma'am.
Tell. 35 plus 5.
40.
Very good. Jeff. Jeff.
Yes, ma'am.
Jeff, 1 minute. Jeff, 1 minute. 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2. Sanjit, 1 minute. Sanjit, afterwards. Jeff, 50 plus 2.
52.
Very good. Sanjit, 8 plus 2. Sanjit, 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Fast.
It is 10, ma'am.
Good. Now I'll go back to the girls. Girls, say fast, girls. Mitra, 9 plus 2. Fast.
Left, ma'am.
Very good. Misty, 10 plus 5. Misty, 10 plus 5.
15, ma'am.
Very good. Kailina, hurry up. Kailina.
Yes, ma'am.
20 plus 0. 20 plus 0.
20, ma'am.
Good, Kailina. Good girl. Kanira. Fast, Kanira. 15 plus 2. 15. 1 5 plus 2.
15 plus 2. Ma'am, 17.
Very good. Joshika Mary. Joshika. Not there. Yes, Joshika. What happened, Joshika? Hurry up. Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima, please tell 10 plus 0.
10.
Good. Effie.
Yes, ma'am.
59 plus 1.
59 plus 1 equals to 60.
Good. Akshara. Akshara and Joshika. Joshika did not say. Akshara, are you there? Akshara, is it Akshara? Akshara 30 plus 2.
39, 32.
The who said 32? Akshara must tell. It's a test.
32, ma'am.
No, Akshara, one more question. 15 plus 3. Only Akshara must answer, please. 15 plus 3.
59, ma'am.
My God. See, never mind. 15 plus 3. No, one more question. Wait. 10 plus 3. Please don't answer, parents. Let her do. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3.
3, nothing after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14.
That's
13, ma'am.
13. See now, when others are answering, I won't give the mark, okay? Now, Adonia, last one, Adonia. Adonia and Joshika must get ready, then we'll finish the class. Adonika and Joshika. Akshara, next time, I don't want anybody to answer, only you. Adonia,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Adonia, tell me. 25 plus 1. 25 plus 1.
26.
Good.
My God.
Only Joshika did not answer. Joshika. Akhilan also answered. What happened? I don't know. Okay, children. Now class is over. 1 minute. Class is over. You can leave the class. When you come for English class, you must be ready with your speaking test. Okay. Don't ask this and that. Without seeing, you have to. Thank you so much, children.
Thank you, ma'am.